You go sit down.
Wait a minute, no, I got a picture of her taking a picture of her.
Get over there.
You go sit down.
I didn't get her face.
Stop it,
proved.
Kathy.
Okay,
Put that thing
ready?
away.
Shelly, D,
Shelly.
Shelly, Selena,
Yeah, Selena.
Kathy.
D, Kathy,
Holly.
Holly.
Kathy, pay attention.
I got that.
Don't take a picture.
Oh.
That guy.
Kathy, Shelly, and Selena. You get over there.
You guys are beautiful. Ah.
My flip cam.
Where's mine?
I don't know. You want one?
No, mine's in my room.
I know where mine is.
Where?
At the store. I can pull it.
Oh my gosh. These are incredible. I'm going to load it to YouTube in a sec.
Oh, you're going to upload it to YouTube?
I mean, yeah, YouTube and Facebook.
I can see I have a flip and I got the new Kodak Z8 or whatever.
So what are you here for, ladies?
We're here for Wisdom School.
Wisdom school.
And your names?
My name is the Shelly Allen. Look at her take the lead.
Kathy?
I'm the great Kathy Heath. I am Goddess Selena Tension.
I am warrior goddess D. Gabinets.
Very cool. Find them on Facebook in about 30 seconds.
Oh,